Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So we have here a deal on the Euro Pound. I'm actually about to close it in profit, and before that I thought let me just share with you this trade and the reason behind it. $103. I'm so happy with this trade. I'm gonna close it right now with $103. Perfect. Now the account is finally above 2,600. Alright, so let me just share with you the reason behind of this setup, and then I will go to the next one. So as you can see right here, based on the 4-hour time frame, this is, guys, a perfect setup for the 20 pips a day strategy. As you can see right here, we have, of course, the real level of the support, and based on the 4-hour time frame, the market has indeed made here the bullish breakout from that level. Now pay attention, this was, of course, a strong level as a support because we had here 3 attempts. Meanwhile, as a resistance, we barely had anyone. Right here also a very small attempt as a resistance, and then the market has instantly broke out from it right on the 3rd attempt. Now the reason, of course, to place the buy order exactly right here, for 2 reasons, of course. Number 1 is that level of the support right here will most likely now be respected again, and the market is gonna reverse exactly right here on the same level of that support. That is the first reason. Second reason is, if we look right here, guys, at the 4-hour time frame, of course, we can see right here the peak of the resistance, and right here is the nearest wick to the bullish breakout candle. That is what I'm telling you. Check this out. Exactly, the reversal has happened exactly right here with the 0 drawdown. That is the normal levels, or actually the usual levels, where the market might reverse from. Look at the nearest wick to the bullish candle, and then place your buy order exactly right here on the same level. Even if your analysis says that this is going to be the level of the reversal, still wait for the market to reach the nearest wick to the bullish breakout candle. Let me just try to open another trade if I'm lucky now to find something. Right now we are actually using 0.70 lot size, just to be careful and just to trade wisely. We can increase now to 0. You know what? Let's see. It depends, of course, on the pair. I can actually make it 1 lot only if I have found something that is really trusted, and should be actually something. For example, I will never trade 1 lot size on the Pound NZD or the Pound JPY. It's gonna be crazy because these pairs are actually moving very fast. I think it's gonna be risky. Actually, to be honest with you guys, I'm not lying here at all. Actually, I lost money last week, and that's why I'm really careful now. I have to be careful and trade carefully with my money. I usually go with big lot sizes, 1.2, 1.5, but no. Actually, this is really harming my account, to be honest. I have to be careful. I'm trying to find something right now. Righty, right here. Pound AUD. Pound AUD, actually, I think it seems promising. Let me just go to the daily chart to see. Yes, okay, let me just now think loudly, guys, okay? So right here, based on the daily chart, actually the Pound AUD is facing a previous level of a resistance. It became as a support for once only at August 9th, and now again today is becoming actually on the 2nd attempt of the support. All right, so let me just check back to the 4-hour time frame. We have right here, of course, the real level of the support, and the candle is approaching the same level, just like 5 pips far away from it. So right here, of course, this tail right here represents, of course, the real level of the support. We had here, of course, a fake breakout from that level of the support, and now, if I'm not mistaken, maybe we can place here a buy order. And let me just see. Guys, to be honest, I just found this and I'm thinking loudly in front of you. 1-hour time frame. Again, we're having here what we can see inverted head and shoulders pattern is being completed, or actually about to get completed. And then we can place here the buy order. All right. Moving to the 30-minute time frame. I think, yes, based on the 30-minute time frame, it might be valid. This is, of course, the best level to start to find the reversal. As we can see, this was the nearest support. It already became a support number 1. I think I can place the trade right here on the 2nd attempt of the support. Yeah, all in all, I think it's going to be a good deal. But I will not use lot size. 1 lot size, I'm going to keep it 70, 0.70, and now place the buy order. Fantastic. All right, $88 is gonna be fine, and take profit level should be right here exactly at the nearest resistance to my entry. So as you can see, I have placed my trade exactly right here and the take profit level right here at the nearest resistance to my entry, which is exactly right here. Meanwhile, of course, the stop loss was there for investment reasons. I don't want to risk more than $88 in this trade. All right, so it seems like a good deal. I don't think it's gonna fail. I think it will be a good deal. Yes, fantastic. All right, so as you can see, guys, instantly we are in profit. I mean, come on, you are actually on a support level on the daily chart. Even 4-hour time frame, you are actually on a support. This price action right here is very good for the bullish reversal. 1-hour time frame also shows right here a strong level of a support, and a fake breakout happened, and most likely now the real level of the support will be respected again. So all in all, everything says that this trade, sorry, is gonna be a profitable one. It should be, of course. It should be. No one's confirming anything here. Anyway, guys, let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And as you can see, guys, so far this trade is going well. $50 of profit. Actually, I'm gonna take it, and I'm getting done with this one. $57 of profit. Fantastic. And I closed it because now the candle has expired. And as you can see now, just now the new candle has opened. There was a chance for the next candle to be a bearish one. And to be honest with you, I just didn't feel good about this trade because my entry here was kind of late. If I entered right here, it's a different story. But I entered right here. So meaning we close it with almost 11 pips of profit. This is great. All right, good. So everything seems to be running well so far. Now, sorry, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you once I find the next trade. Alrighty, so actually Pound NZD here have something very interesting. As you can see right now, based on the 1-hour time frame, I'm actually at the lowest level of the support, and the market seems like it's actually respecting that level so far. That broken level of a support has already become right here as a resistance. Interesting. Let me switch now to the 30-minute time frame and even 15-minute time frame. I think, yes, that's gonna be good level to place the buy order. Let me just reduce the lot size to be 0.50. I know the Pound NZD is really ugly pair. Yes, I think 5-minute time frame just to be sure. Yes, I think this is gonna be a good one. Place the buy order right now. Fantastic, fantastic. Of course, as you can see, I had here a good entry because the spread for the Pound NZD in IC markets is the highest, which is 2.4. That is the highest, guys, the highest at all. Anyway, I'm risking only $54, which means I'm risking only the profits that I have just made right here from the previous trade and from the Pound AUD, of course. And as you can see right now, I need to explain to you the reason behind of this trade. So as you can see, guys, let me just explain it now carefully. So based on the 4-hour time frame, we are having here a very clear real level of the support. Meanwhile, we had here, of course, a fake breakout from that level. Now, how do we know this was a fake breakout? Because the market actually has failed to create here a new resistance, and even right here on the left side, we do have a resistance level. So the market actually was supposed to create here a new level of a resistance and continue the fall. That didn't happen, and the market just kept rising for about 32 pips above that level of the previous level of a support at 2.12318. So that's of course on the 4-hour time frame. Now moving to the 1-hour time frame, those 2 weeks right here represents actually a rejection on that level, which means the market indeed has already fell all the way right here to that level of a support and retested the same level, but couldn't actually break out from it. So meaning those 2 weeks right here, or sorry, those 2 tails representing actually a pressure from that level of a support, which was of course a previous level of a resistance. So meaning placing here the buy order in general is going to be a good idea. Now the question is where exactly we can place the buy order. As you can see, guys, I kept moving to the smaller time frames one by one just to confirm if I am indeed right here on a real level of a support. Now let's apply the same concept on the current price action that we do have right here on the the current pattern. As you can see right here, the exact same concept, guys. So we do have right here a real level of the support. Meanwhile, we had here a fake breakout from that level. The market did not create here a new resistance level after retesting the broken level of a support. Instead, it just kept rising. Now, most likely what will gonna happen is that level of the real support is gonna be respected again. Exactly the same concept that we have applied on the 4-hour time frame is being applied now on the 5-minute time frame and 15-minute time frame. So that was basically the reason to place the buy order. So as we can see right here on the 5-minute time frame right now, that was of course the real level of the support. Then here we can see a small level of a resistance, and right here a bullish breakout candle. Now applying the 20 pips a day strategy, we have to draw here a line at the opening and the closing price of the candle. And now we have to look at the left side to find the nearest level of the support, which is exactly right here and right here as well, almost the same level. And therefore I had to place here my buy order, hoping for that level of a support to be respected. That's everything. I mean, that's really that's it. Nothing else into this trade. And of course I had to reduce the lot size because the Pound AUD is one crazy pair. So anyway, let me know please guys, pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. So this trade is not going well at all. I think it's very close to hit the stop loss. It's just gonna be $54, guys. It's fine, it's fine. I think, yeah, it hit the stop loss. Alright, okay. Okay, it's alright, it's only $54. It was actually going well in profit of about $25, and I just didn't feel like we should close it. But anyway, it happened. As you can see guys, this is to prove that this strategy cannot work every single time. Of course there will be some losses, there will be some failures. Unfortunately you have just witnessed one of them. Alright, good. So we have to be sure why the USDCHF is there. We have to make sure right now about our next trade, what will gonna happen. By the way guys, those who are actually in my sell signal for the USDJPY, they are running so far in about 50 pips of profits. Congratulations for those who have taken it, and let me know guys in the comments if you indeed took the signal from the midweek analysis. It was also perfect signal, and as you can see so far running in good profits. Anyway, let me know please again guys to pause the video, and I'll be back to you once I open the next trade. And we are back to the Euro Pound. Actually, this setup seems like it's still valid. I think this level is still holding the position of the support. Of course guys, this is just the first trade that I opened and I showed you in the beginning of the video, and I think we can still use it. I think we can accept risk only $3, 3 pips only. That's fine. 0.85. We need to recover the losses. Place the buy order. Fantastic, fantastic. Oops, wait a minute. The stop loss can be placed just right there, $126. The take profit level can be placed right there, right here at the nearest level of a resistance. So again guys, just to summarize it, this setup is just exactly the same from the beginning of the video. I mean, if I was just a few seconds late, I would now have a perfect entry. Oh, we lost $70 for no reason. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Anyway guys, what I was saying here, I really don't want it to fail. This was of course the real level of the support, and seems like the market is indeed respecting the same level, so that the previous support will most likely become a new support as well. I just had a very early entry. If I just waited few seconds, oof, that is very bad. That is not good. I hope it will not reach the stop loss. Oof, $100 of loss. That's not good. I'm right now not happy. I'm not happy now. It's alright guys, I'm sorry about that. I'm just shaking my head now. I mean, I don't know what's wrong with me today. A lot of mistakes I'm doing. Guys, let me please pause the recording and I'll be back to you later. And yes, guys, yes. I'm gonna close it. I don't want it. I don't want you. I hate you, Euro Pound. I hate you. Oh my god, the relief. I'm so happy that I closed it in break even. That was really one bad trade, and actually really made me angry. Actually, the trade itself is valid, but the entry was horrible. I mean, I should have not entered that late and make sure that my entry should be actually right here on the lowest level of the support. I made a mistake, and thankfully this trade did not cost me anything at all. We are still $2,602, which means the account is still safe. That's great. I closed it, and I really don't want it. Get out from my site. I don't want you. All right, so let me know again, guys. Please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you once I find the next trade. We had something very nice here. Actually, this setup for the EURUSDCHF, actually I marked it this morning, and as you can see, the reversal has already happened right here. So yeah, that was really one good trade, but unfortunately I have missed it. I just wanted to share with you guys that I had this setup here. I was planning to open here a buy order based, of course, on that level of a real support, which has become already a real level of a resistance. We had here the fake breakout, and then I said, all right, let me just draw my line here and getting ready once the market reached that level of a previous resistance to create the new support. But unfortunately, I missed it. What a bummer. Anyway, let me again, guys, pause the recording, and I'll be back to you soon. Alright, now Euro NZD actually approaching here a real level of the support. Actually, I don't have much time to explain. This seems like a promising setup, and yes, we are actually at the lowest level of the support. 0.70 should be fine, and please the buy order. Fantastic, fantastic. Okay, let's risk maximum $100. Take profit level should be right here at the nearest level of a previous support, $104. All right, so now my target is, of course, to recover the previous losses and, of course, to make profits. Anyway, again, let me explain to you guys the reason behind of this trade, which I think all of you now aware of. I mean, it's really obvious right here, of course, on the 1 hour time frame for the Euro NZD. We had here a real level of the support, as we can see, and then we had here a very small attempt of the resistance, and instant bullish breakout candle appeared, broke out from that level of a previous resistance, and now the market is approaching the same level of a previous support, and most likely it will respect it. Now, it's important to mention that based on my strategy, I'm not saying that the market now is going to continue flying at all. My strategy, guys, is all about finding the reversal points. I mean, it's not about finding the whole direction changing. That's the reason I have to place my take profit level right here at the nearest support or resistance to my entry, because there is a chance that the market, after reaching that level of a previous support, it will actually make an actual bearish breakout from that level of the support and continue the fall. So to be safe, I always exit my trades at the nearest support or resistance. Alright, so I think that's gonna be everything for this trade. I mean, it's really obvious. Also right here, of course, we had the previous, look at that. I mean, this was of course the bullish breakout candle, and right here is the nearest wick to that bullish breakout candle. That is exactly what I was just telling you in the beginning of this video, that most likely there is the best level for the reversal. Now, of course, it's not a secured one, it's not assurance. Maybe it will fail, maybe it will fail, maybe there is a chance, of course, for it to fail. Now someone might ask me, but Salah, what you will do if this trade fails? Well, it failed. What can I do? It failed. What can I do? My strategies luckily have actually a high winning ratio, and if this trade fails, no problem, we can also recover with another few trades. Anyway, guys, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Hi guys, so this was really intense trade, and I'm gonna close it right now, recovering the previous losses and get done with this. I'm done with this one. Thankfully, we have been able to recover the losses. The trade was really close to the stop loss, and to be honest with you, I was really upset. Luckily, guys, as you can see right here, I didn't show you this, but before recording, before the trade fails, when it was really close to the stop loss, I draw here that support trend line right here and continue analyze the trade. And as you can see, the reversal has occurred exactly right here on that level of support trend line. I have to admit, I was lucky here. As you can see, guys, I'm telling you always, when the trade goes against you, don't stop analyzing it to be sure where is the next reversal gonna happen. Look at that, the candle now is falling. So that's my point, guys. When the trade is failing against you, don't stop analyzing it. Just be sure where can you expect the next reversal to happen, and accordingly you can place your stop loss. So of course, I cannot say I was sure, but I was actually hoping that this level of the support trend line will be respected again and hold the position as a support trend line, and luckily that is exactly what happened. Anyway, guys, the video now is 20 minutes long, and I think that's gonna be enough. I don't want to make the live trading videos long. So luckily we have been able to recover the losses, and I cannot deny, guys, I'm sweating because I actually have some problems, to be honest. When I feel nervous about a trade, I really don't want it to fail, and I have this problem actually. Anyway, guys, I don't want to keep the video long. I think everyone is happy with the USDJPY signal. Again, it's continued the falling in about 60 pips of profits. Again, guys, let me know please in the comments if you have taken the signal and enjoyed the profits, and I will see you soon in a very actually I will see you again soon in a late week analysis video, because almost all of the signals which I have sent here have actually reached the take profit level, including of course the gold itself. So we have to find what we can do next with the gold and the other pairs. Anyway, guys, I will see you soon in the late week analysis video. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.